You know, when you think about why it's important to support California agriculture, the fact that you even have to ask is weird. It's like, of course you should. It's like producing something. We have all these ideas from Silicon Valley. We have all this music and film from Hollywood. And then here's actually something fabulous you put in your mouth and you eat it and you enjoy it and you have a story.
When we get the flowers from other countries, they have to cut it like a week in advance, spray them with pesticides. Then when they get them, put them into the package, they have to re-spray it again. To use domestic flowers, it's 100% clean and fresh because we're trying to kind of stay away from chemicals.
There's so many wonderful things about California agriculture. Our farm workers, the hundreds of thousands of people whose jobs depend upon agriculture, and the farmers and ranchers and their families. They're about people who are passionate about what they do, that take great pride and feel a deep sense of responsibility for producing food for people they'll never get to see, and to do it in a way that really honors the natural resources, the environment, and the people who care for the land.